Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're in the showroom. We're going to talk about showers. So we just finished this shower display in our showroom, and it has a lot of great features to show people. So we'll start here with a shower column. And again, this is a really simple install. You have your hot and cold come through the wall. There's a bracket above here that you attach the shower column to, plug in the hot and cold, and you are ready to go. The nice feature about this one though is it has a mirrored front. So if you want to shave in the shower, great idea. And then the sides are actually a really nice white color, so even if you did a white tile here, you'd have the white that contoured through, and then you have the mirrored front. Body jets, waterfall, rain head, handheld, great feature, really nice option when you're doing a shower. This is the most creative thing I've seen in a while, and it's a footrest. So originally we would really frame in a corner footrest and put a piece of solid surface on it. Great for shaving your legs, obviously, for the women, but it's just, I guess maybe some guys too, but it's a nice feature to have. Curved grab bar as opposed to the straight ones. Again, we got chrome here. These are new as well, but just adds a little feature. Looks a little bit nicer than the conventional straight 24-inch grab bars. Weedy niches, so we always talk about niche. This is a full length niche, which is quite nice. Always solid surface on the bottom. We put an accent tile in the back with a very dark red. I think it looks fabulous, but again, you're not restricted to the size of the niche you have for your soap and shampoo. If you have cavities in the wall, do whatever you want. Over to this side here, nice shower seat for sitting on. Doors now, again, as opposed to just a fixed panel or a door, this one's an operable one. So as you can see, lots of options for showers next week, and we'll see you next week on Renovation Time.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.